Assembly just released a new summer collection in Walmart, and these pieces are beautiful. I got some colorful dresses, two-piece set, and some beautiful accessories. We're about to have a warmer summer try. Starting off strong with this outfit that I'm putting on right here. It's a sleeveless dress, and this dress is beautiful. It is stunning. This dress is that kind of dress that you want to have in your closet because it is a versatile dress. I literally style this dress as a skirt and as a dress. I'm always all about outfits that I can style and restyle. That is the goal. This is a very stunning, beautiful sleeveless dress. It is so colorful. I literally love the pattern of this dress. It is so chic. Something you can wear for cookout, something you can wear for picnic, something you can wear for brunch, something you can, wear if you're lounging at home. Very beautiful, very stunning. Comes with this beautiful banana prints on it, and I love all the colors that is going on this dress. You have pink, yellow, white, green, orange. So you literally would style it with any of those colors. And if you're that kind of lady that don't like to put on sleeveless dresses like this dress is versatile. Like I said, you can go ahead and throw on a crop top or even a tank underneath it, and you're good to go. It comes with two pockets on each side, as you can see on my split screen. Also comes with the straps right here that you can use to tie a cute bow in front of it. Has an adjustable clip that you can use to adjust it to however suits you. This is an easy breezy kind of dress. It's a mini dress, as you can see. You can style it with strappy heel sandals, slippers, whatever works for you. Go ahead and do that. This dress, you don't even have to do too much because, like I said, it's an easy breezy kind of dress. A dress that literally looks chic for the summertime. I love every detail about this dress. It comes with two pockets on each side. I love me dresses that comes with pockets because, they just add this cool vibe to the dress. All free assembly skirts and dresses usually come with pocket, and I love it for them. I picked this in an extra small, which is a 0 to 2 for the free assembly brand, and it fits perfectly. Even if I had picked a small size, which is a 4 to 6, it still would have snugged on me. But this one is literally glued to my body. I love the fit. I love the pattern. I went ahead to style it as a dress. Also went ahead to style it as a skirt. Tell me which styling you actually prefer. Next is a pink sleeveless midi dress with a beautiful princess cut. This is a dress right here. It's a sleeveless dress, and it has a low waist cut, more like a princess cut at the waistline, and it has this ruffle details right here on the chest area. If you turn to the back, you'll notice that it has these two straps right here that you can use to tie a cute bow at the back, adding more feminine touch to the dress. I love that it comes in this pink color. It's beautiful. It is lovely. It's a midi dress. The handle comes with this adjustable strap right here that you can use to adjust to however it suits you. Made from 100% cotton, and I tell you that this dress is beautiful. It is so comfortable, very breathable. The free assembly brand also added two pockets on each side. There's one pocket and there's another pocket on the other side. Really pretty. This dress actually came in two patterns. This pink one comes with a flamingo embroidery right there. It has a little bit of volume. Doesn't come with any inner lining, but I can tell it is not see-through. This dress has a good weight attached to it. I also love that it has a little bit of structure to it. This is an outfit you can wear for brunch. This is an outfit you can wear for cookouts. This is an outfit you can wear for a family gathering. You can wear it on vacation in the tropical area. And if you're not comfortable wearing this outfit like this, you can go ahead and throw on a jacket on it, and it will still look really beautiful. The pink color is solid. The sewing is fantastic. If you're looking for a chic, elegant summer dress, this dress is definitely for you. Think of cookouts, think of birthdays, think of dinner, think of vacation. This dress would definitely serve those purposes. It doesn't come with any zipper, but it definitely has this opening right here at the back that also comes with this adjustable band right here that makes it easy for you to throw it on. Overall, I love this outfit, and I will rate it a good 8 out of 10. Next is a two-piece set, sold separately, but of course I paired it to become a two-piece set. It is a pant and a shirt, long sleeve two-piece set. Comes in two colors, but I got a green color because I already had a bunch of blue dresses in this haul. Looking at my split screen, you can tell this is the outfit I'm talking about. So I'm going to talk about the top, and then we'll move over to the pants. The top is a long sleeve top, and it feels more like a bumper jacket. This is the top right here. It is a long sleeve top, and it is a strap top that comes in green and white. They also have a blue and white pattern, like I already mentioned. Comes with this lapel neckline right here, which is really flat. Comes with some buttons right here in front of it. Comes with one pocket right here in front of it, and the long sleeve also comes with buttons, and it also comes with this drawstring. This is what it looks like, so you can use it to create a gathered pattern at the bottom area. Love that about this top. I picked the top in a small size. It is 4 to 6 and it is true to size. So it is not a snug top, meaning it's not a fitted top. So it's supposed to give you a little exaggerated feet. I love that about the top. And this is the pants right here, a matching pants to go with it. This pant has an elastic band on the waistline. Also comes with a drawstring right here. It comes with two pockets on each side. So there's one pocket here and there's another pocket on the other side. Turn the back and you get another pocket at the back. I feel like this pocket right here wasn't necessary, but we're here for it. Then it's a straight cut pants. I also picked the pants in a small pattern, which is 4 to 6. It is a loose straight pants, so it's not fitted at all. But if you want an exaggerated fit, you can go ahead and size up. I feel like I would return this and pick it in 8 to 10 because I want it to be more exaggerated and longer on me. So it is made from 100% cotton, very breathable, very lightweight. The color is really giving earthy tone for the summertime. Love that about it. Even though it is long sleeve, it is very comfortable. You can go ahead and dress it up or down. So if you're going for a more casual fit, you can go ahead and throw on a sneakers, go ahead and throw on a heart, and also go ahead and put on a crossbody bag with a good sunnies and you're good to go. But if you want to dress it up, please go ahead and put on a strappy heel sandals. Actually prefer a mule. Go on and carry an exaggerated purse or a structured bag and it will just elevate the entire outfit. I love the fit, I love the pattern, I love the fabric that was used. Everything about this outfit is 10 out of 10. Next is a sleeveless blue dress, similar to the first pink dress I showed you. So this is the dress I'm talking about. So it's similar to the first pink flamingo dress that I showed you. Same pattern, same cut, same everything. The difference is in the color and the print. So where this one has embroidered flamingo on it, this one has an embroidered pineapple on it. How cute is that? Now looking at the two of them, I feel like I actually prefer the one with the pineapple. I don't know if it's because of the burst of colors, but they're both beautiful. I would definitely go for this one. Both have same features. The princess cut, the low waist cut, the ruched pattern on the chest area. Also has the adjustable clip right here on the sleeve. Comes with two pockets just like the pink one. It is breathable, it is comfortable, perfect for brunch, dinner, picnic, vacation, cookouts. You can even rock it to church if you want. Just throw on a jacket on it and you're good to go. You can rock it with colors like black, white, yellow, green, orange would definitely go with this outfit. I love everything about this outfit. Love the very cute bold details right here. And you know that this is a strap that you can untie and make it into a bow or a rose, however it suits you. Is up to you. I picked both of them in a size small, which is a 4 to 6. Style it with gold accessories, style it with strappy heel sandals, a mule slippers, sandals, whatever suits you this summer. Pick the one that resonates with you. But if you're going to wear it to church, I would recommend that you wear it with a pump and throw on a jacket on it, and it will definitely elevate the dress. Do you prefer the pink or do you prefer the blue? Next is another two-piece set, and I styled them as two-piece set, but they were sold separately. So it's a skirt and a sleeveless cardigan top. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the top and move over to the skirt. This is the top I'm talking about. It's a sleeveless cardigan-like top, and it has a banana pattern in front of it. This is the top right here. I feel like the Free Assembly brand was playing with fruits patterns this summer, and I'm here for it. It's a mock neckline and it's a sleeveless cardigan top. It is lightweight, it is not see-through, it's very breathable, very comfortable. It has a good level of stretch, so you might want to either stick to your size or size down. For me, I sized down because I knew I wanted it to be really snug on me, and so I picked a 0 to 2, which is an extra small, instead of the usual 4 to 6, which is small. So that's just a basic top. Moving on to the skirt, this is what the skirt looks like. So it's a mini skirt, or would I even say a midi skirt? This is made from a polyester fabric, 100% polyester. It has no stretch to it, and this is what the pattern looks like. So it has an elastic band on the waistline. Also comes with a drawstring in front of it. It has two pockets on each side. So there's one pocket here and another pocket on this other side, as you can see. I love the lace hem pattern right there. It adds a feminine touch to the skirt. This is a flace skirt. This skirt comes in a pink pattern as well, but I went ahead to pick this one because I wanted something different. I already have a bunch of pink and blues in this haul, and I wanted something different. Go ahead and style it with the strappy heel sandals. Go ahead and style it with the mule. Go ahead and style it with the sandals. Next is another sleeveless dress. It's more like a denim pattern dress, but it's not an exact denim dress. It is lighter than a denim fabric. This is the dress I'm talking about. If you look closely, it feels as though it is denim. So this one is actually different from the other ones. The other ones are sleeveless with a low neckline, whereas this one is a sleeveless dress. It comes with a collar and it is a midi dress. Unlike the other one, it has a button right there in front of it. It comes with drawstring at the waistline right there that you can use to create a gathered pattern. Right, this is the back of the dress. The waistline has an elastic band right there with a belt hole. This dress is very beautiful. If we're talking about a gorgeous dress, we're talking about an outfit that is chic. If you're talking about an elegant outfit, I would definitely recommend this one. This outfit can be worn to literally anywhere. It doesn't have any lining on the inside. I already mentioned that it is lightweight, it is comfortable, it is breathable. Definitely something you will wear for brunch. You can wear this to church, you can wear it to work. You literally will style this anywhere that you're going to this summer and even all year round, because even if it comes to fall or spring or winter, you can dress it up and just layer it. This dress is beautiful. You can dress it up or down. Go ahead and put on a sneakers if you choose to dress it down. Go ahead and put on slippers if you choose to dress it down. Or if you choose to dress it up, please go ahead and put on a strappy heel sandals. A mule will definitely work with this. Overall, I love the flow. I love the color. The color is solid. I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10. Next outfit is another blue outfit. This is another sleeveless blue dress. It's a midi dress, an easy breezy dress for the summertime. One thing I love about this outfit is the pattern on the bottom. It comes with this adjustable strap right here. This is really beautiful. It also comes in a white and blue pattern. This is what the front looks like. It has this floral embroidery right here at the bottom, which I think is absolutely stunning. The back of the dress has an invisible zipper right here that also comes with a tiny hook that you can use to secure it. It also has this elastic band right here at the back. It is fit for church, it is fit for work, it is fit for brunch, picnic, cookout, baby shower, vacation. I love the solid blue color on it. It is breathable, it is comfortable, the fabric is very cool on the skin. Did I also mention that it comes with a pocket on each side? So there's one pocket here and there's another pocket on the other side. Feel free to style it with colors like blue, white, red, pink, green, black will definitely go with this, and even brown will definitely go with this outfit. Last outfit for this haul is a multicolor outfit. It is a mini dress, and as you can see on my split screen, nothing serious going on with this dress. It is just an easy breezy kind of dress, more like a shift dress if I put it that way. Definitely an outfit if you're running errands. This is a dress right here. You can choose any color from the outfit and style it with. So it has colors like orange, it has blue, pink, green, yellow, green. It has white, it has orange. I love the ruffle hand right here. And just in case you're not comfortable with how the dress flows, you can decide to use a belt on your waistline just to define your waistline. This is what the neckline looks like. The neckline is a square neckline, and then if you turn to the back, you see that it has an elastic band at the back. I chose this in a size small and it's true to size. It also comes with 2 pockets on each side. This is a mini dress. It doesn't have any lining in it, doesn't have any zipper attached to it. I also found this cute brooch. This one is from the brand Scope. It's a gold brooch and it has white pearls right here. This is actually big. Can you see the size? It's literally filling my pan. It's a floral brooch. I also found this ring right here. If you're looking for an exaggerated ring, a costume ring, this ring is definitely something you should look out for. It came in as a 2-in-1 set. And then this is the second one right here. I have both on my hand right now. I also got this earring and I also wanted to share it with you guys. It's from the brand Scoop also. It's gorgeous. It is elevated, very chic. Definitely a statement piece. All the items I've mentioned in this video will be tagged in the description box down below. All you have to do is look out for the items in the description box, or you can go ahead and scan the QR code that you see on my screen to take you directly to where you can shop these items. Alright people, I've come to the end of today's haul. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, my name is Geraldine and I concentrate on fashion, tips and style. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button that you see right now on your screen. Turn your notification on so you get notified when I put up hauls like this. And to you my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. You do know that I love and appreciate you. If you enjoyed this haul, if you liked this haul, please don't enjoy this haul alone. Do well to share with your friends and family. Comment your favorite items and the ones you don't like in the comment section down below. below. Let me know the next haul you would like to see on my channel. And as usual, my name is Geraldine Amadi, fashion content creator here on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next haul. Until then, God bless you. Bye.